When we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. You was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the. I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Hey guys, back with another video for my Addicted Blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the best Apple Watch faces you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So right now Apple Watch faces are available for this smartwatch and you can install these watch faces on your Amazfit GTS 3. We will be seeing some of the best looking Apple Watch faces which you can install for this watch, the information it displays and the always on display which comes with this watch faces. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to serious, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So the first watch face is the numerals mono. You can see I have gone to the apple.com and there the numerous Apple Watch faces are on display, and this watch face is exactly like the numerals mono which is available for the Apple Watch. So it is showing you the time in this analog and digital format both, you can say, and beautiful looking watch face you can get for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Let's see the always on display which comes with this watch face. So the watch face comes with this always on display and you can see the always on display is in the same format as the watch face. It has this big digital letters and comes in this black background. Looks really good, and you can download this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name of numerals mono. Definitely a good looking watch face for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. The next Apple Watch face on the list is the numerals duo, and it looks really good on the Apple Watch. You can see this watch face is a really popular one and it is available now for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. It displays the time in this big bold letters and there are many variants you can install for this watch face also. Let's see the always on display which comes with this watch face. So the watch face comes with this beautiful always on display. The always on display will be always on for this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and you can install this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name of numerals duo Sea Salt, and there are many variants for this watch face also. Definitely worth trying for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the next Apple Watch face on the list is the numerals watch face. You can see this watch face is exactly like the Apple Watch face which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. This watch face displays you the time and also the hour in this digital format, and also the date and the day it displays. And there are many variants for this watch face also which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3. Let's see the always on display which comes with this watch face. So the watch face comes with this beautiful always on display, and the second hands will be always moving on the always on display. So this watch face comes with the name of Minimal Blue. Definitely you can install this from the Amazfit app, and also comes with many variants as you can see here. So beautiful looking watch face, definitely you can get for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the next watch face on the list is the Artist watch face which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3. You can see this watch face is available for the Apple Watch, and exactly the same watch face is available. There are two variants. This one is the other variant, and we can get another variant also of this watch face which looks exactly like this. So definitely a good looking watch face. It displays you the time and nothing else, but this watch face comes with a beautiful always on display. So the always on display is this one, and you can see it is the outline of the full watch face you will be getting on the always on display, and because of the black background it just pops up on this AMOLED display. Definitely a good looking watch face which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and this is available in the Amazfit app itself, comes with the name of Artist Man. So the next watch face on the list is the Contour watch face, which is available for the Apple Watch Series 7 watches only, and definitely looking really good on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. It is exactly the same watch face you will be getting, and there will be some additional information, and there are many variants of this watch face also. If you don't want this information in the middle of the watch face, you can install it without that also. So this watch face comes with this beautiful black background, and on the AMOLED display this red color second hand really pops up. Also comes with a beautiful always on display. So the always on display is this one, which displays you the date and the day and the time here. This comes with the name of Contour in the Amazfit app also. You can get this from the Amazfit app for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the next watch face on the list is the Pride woven watch face you can get for your Amazfit GTS 3, and this is an Apple watch face. You can see it is exactly the same as the Apple watch face which is there for the Amazfit GTS 3. Comes with this beautiful color, and also shows you the time in this beautiful background. Definitely a good looking watch face for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and the always on display is a full always on display you will be getting with this background. Really looks good, and you can download this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name of Apple Pride. Definitely a good looking watch face you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the next Apple watch face which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3 is the Chronograph Pro watch face. You can see the watch face is available for the Apple Watch, and exactly the same watch face is available for your Amazfit GTS 3. The watch face shows you a lot of information like the weather, the step count. This is a shortcut to countdown, and also this is the calories burned. And also it shows you the information like the second hand, the battery percentage, and also the time here. Definitely looks good on these Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. You can see this is a proper chronograph watch face. So the always on display which comes with this is a really simple one, but looks good on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Definitely you can download this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name Tachymeter White, and there is another black and blue variant also. Next Apple watch face which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3 is the California watch face. You can see it looks really beautiful on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and it is the exact copy of the watch face which you will be getting on the Apple Watch. You will be getting here the information like the date and the day, and also the battery percentage. Definitely a good looking watch face, and the always on display which comes with this watch face is this one. The battery percentage will be displayed along with the date and the day and the time here. Really looks good on this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, and you can install this from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Cal Blue battery, and there is another variant of this watch face also, which is the black variant. Next Apple watch face which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3 is the Toy Story watch face, and this watch face is also available for the Apple smartwatches. You can see it looks really beautiful, and the same watch face is available for your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. You will be seeing the date and the month and the time here, and there are different pictures which you will be getting with this watch face. So you can install this from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Woody, and you can see a lot of pictures which you can select while installing this watch face. Also this watch face comes with a beautiful always on display. So the always on display is this one, which displays you the time in this digital format, and also the date and the month. So these are the Apple watch faces which you can install for your Amazfit GTS 3 right now. More of the watch faces are getting added in the Amazfit app, and for Amazfit GTS 3 more Apple watch faces will be getting added. So I will be making more videos in the future on this topic. So if you want to know how to install these watch faces, I will be leaving a link in the description so that you can go there and install these watch faces on Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So that's it for now. I just wanted to show you guys how you can install these watch faces on your Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.